Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Calma here, and to those who are new, please welcome. And to all my fans and to all my viewers, thank you to all of you. Today we are making a delicious and super easy yellow rice recipe. And what we need are carrots. We are going to cut these into cubes. A saffron powder to make our rice yellow. Garlic we are going to chop, as well as onion we are going to dice. Chicken broth mix. Sesame oil. Freshly ground black pepper. Soya sauce. Olive oil. Sweet peas. Water. And pre-soaked white basmati rice. So let's get started and follow along. Start with high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. They are now golden brown. We are adding our pre-soaked white basmati rice. So these are 3 cups of white basmati rice. We're only adding about 5.5 cups of either cold or warm water because we already pre-soaked these basmati rice. This time we are adding all the saffron powder to make our rice yellow. And add the chicken broth mix. Lid on, remain on high heat, bring to a boil, and then change the temperature to low and simmer or cooked for 20 minutes. Before we end the 20 minutes, we are adding the carrots and the sweet peas. It is now boiling hard, so we are going to change the temperature. So change to low and leave the pot as it is and simmer for 20 minutes. Look at that. Perfect yellow rice. Mix well. Yummy long grain rice. It is ready to serve. Yum. My friends, what I just made is a party recipe. So if you are making less quantity, then adjust your seasoning or your taste according to your taste buds. There it is. It's that easy. So you can eat them plain or you can add your favorites. These are leftovers from yesterday, which I'll be adding towards my serving. There you go. These are optional, by the way. Deep fried shallots. This will add more aroma to our recipe. And you can add chicken as well on the top. Now the best part is to try what I cooked. Oh my, it smells so good. These are actually up to 2 days food for us, and some are for lunches, especially for my hubby. And we'll add some chicken on top. Optional, by the way. You don't have to. So tasty. That's it for now, my friends. We are going to have our dinner. Thank you so much for watching. If you wish to see more tasty and easy recipe to follow, please consider subscribing, comments, like, and share. Cheers to good health, happiness, and success. Bye for now, and I'll see you on my next upload.